Thank you po sa nag-request. And thanks everyone. I have often told you stories about the way I live the life of the drifter, waiting for the day when I take your hand and sing songs that make you say, come lay with me and love me, and I would surely stay.
But I feel I'm growing older, and the songs that I have sung echo in the distance like the sound of a windmill going round. Guess I always be a soldier of fortune.
Many times I've been a traveler, I look for something new. In days of old when nights were cold, I wander without you. But those days I thought my eyes had seen you standing near. The blindness and confusing, it shows that you're not here.
Now I feel I'm growing older, and the songs that I have sung echo in the distance like the sound of a windmill going round. Guess I'll always be a soldier of fortune.
I can hear the sound of a windmill going around. I guess I'll always be a soldier of fortune. I guess I'll always be a soldier of fortune. Thank you sa nag-join.
Welcome po.